Hello, my name is Abdel from Excel Experts YouTube channel. Today we are going to teach you a new Excel skill. Let us start. Our topic is how to create a drop-down list. Open your Excel file. Data entry is quicker and more accurate when you use a drop-down list to limit the entries that people can make in a cell. When you select a cell, the drop-down list's down arrow appears, click it, and make a selection. Here is how to create drop-down lists. Select the cells that you want to contain the lists. On the ribbon, click the Data tab, and click Data Validation. In the dialog, set Allow to List. Click in Source. In this example, we are using a comma limited list. The text or numbers we type in the source field are separated by commas. Or we can choose the options directly from a list. And click OK. The cells now have a drop-down list. Thanks for watching, and for any questions please let me know in the comments.